Hey guys, it's Ralph Greenwood here, and this is the third and final video in my meet and greet series. Now this video is of Dwight Kerley, otherwise known as Kerley Express, his layout. And his layout does not particularly depict any area. It's like a combination of things. It's just he has different scenes he all put together. So, and some of the highlights are a 145 feet arch truss bridge, which you'll see because I really like that thing. I got a bunch of pictures of it. And the Bruce Valley Church, okay, which is prototypical of an actual church in Trempealeau County, Wisconsin. And the coal mine, which is a Kmore, it is called Kmore Coal Mine in Kmore, West Virginia. And today, the actual Kmore mine, the building that Dwight has was actually torn down. The tipple was actually torn down. It was too unsafe. But the coal mine is actually owned by the National Park Service and is like a museum. So, without further ado, let's get started. If you guys like this kind of content, like and subscribe, because I'm eventually going to go other places and look at other layouts and do things like this. So let's enjoy the video. Talk at you guys later. Thanks.
I haven't, there's not really any train.
I'm getting another shot of the other side of your engine house.
I just ordered couplers. They need couplers. All these couplers on these cars are really bad.
Ooh.
Yeah,
So it's probably
springtime is
turkey time.
yeah.
Okay.
I know in Indiana, I used to go and the one time I went was in April.
I have my friend that lives out in Tennessee saw these old buildings at somewhere. I don't know where she found them at. She sent me this one and something else. Boy, that building. But if I move, I'm going to change things for a layout, though, I'm thinking. I think about just getting some of them big white folding tables, white ones. I think that would make a good layout.
Yeah.
Some of those.
Another shot of the coal mine. Wow. Oh yeah, they met on the bridge. That's cool.
Yeah, that was.
When is turkey season in Illinois?
Here is information from Hunt, Illinois.
Well, I got it from Train Free. That's why I haven't done any scenery. I want to get everything, all the bugs worked out first. So I'm even thinking about changing that now, because I was going to run a line over to that. I might even move it over here, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Haven't decided. At least they were running.
Yeah.
Now the other train's catching up.
They sound smooth.
Yep. Oh, hurry up, you're going. My phone. Watching Chris, you know, the guy from Canada.
Mm.
He was doing a live, so I was watching him on.
Oh.
I always watch him. But this unit is a bigger build plate. I can build bigger things, you know. So
Now the bigger one, it'll level by itself.
it will, but I have when you first start it, you have to not now, but it does have the same setup as this.
Yeah.
But you adjust it to get it adjusted. I haven't messed with the spring in the last few days. It doesn't have a self-leveling. I must have got it because of the. I bought a printer before this one. Printer system.
Now the filament, you told me, because I looked it up because you said, because I got that bulldozer from you.
Yeah.
You said it was like 3 letters.
FDM.
FDM, yeah. I looked it up.
But
and
this is a FDM printer, but the filament's PLA.
yeah.
But you guys, you know,
On top, but underneath,
there's
it
a
was like,
fish on top.
yeah, right there. You see it? It's like right on top of the moss or whatever.
I don't see
You
that.
can hardly see it, but I see it. I think that's what it is. It's a little
Oh,
sharp.
I see what it is. That's an algae eater.
Oh, is that an algae eater?
Yeah,
Okay.
Then I got a dinosaur fish in there. He's about this big.
That's what I seen then, was
Yeah,
that
he
one.
was just back there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, there's some ghost shrimp in there if you ever seen them.
What are they?
Yeah, there's like 5 of them in there.
What are they?
Ghost shrimp.
Ghost shrimp.
Oh, is that one right there? You can hardly see it. It's right
Yeah,
up
there's
on this
one
right
on top of
there,
that rock right there.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep. Good eye.
Uncle Digger, yeah. Uncle Digger's cabin. That's the one
Say it
that.
right, Ralph. Say it right.
I know. That's the one that. And then you printed this one too?
Yeah, I gotta get that window glue back in. Yeah. Engine house.
That's cool. You did that yourself. Wow.
Yeah.
And you said you did these over here?
Yeah, but that's not plastic. It's all wood.
It's all wood,
Yeah.
but,
And this-
but still you built it. Wow.
And this
That's
church,
cool.
it has pews in it.
Yeah.
Oh, how cool.
He's got pews in the altar. Yeah.
I got bells in the bell tower in that church. Actually, it's taking me longer to build that church than that Jerry's little house over there.
Yeah.
I got the Christmas story house now.
And then the pink one, did you print that one?
Yeah, I print that pink
Yeah,
engine show.
okay. I remember watching that.
Yeah.
You
Yep.
said you had the Christmas story house? A
Yeah,
Christmas story?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
cool.
yeah. I haven't started building it though.
Oh, okay.
But I got it all printed up.
That'd be neat to see.
And your coal mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the weathering on that.
Oh, yeah, I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
That's actually a real coal mine in real life, but it's been abandoned for years. That's called Cayman Coal Mine, located in West Virginia.
Wow.
Yep. There's a lot of them, and I got a friend of mine that he grew up in West Virginia.
I 3D
Yep.
printed that new bridge over there too.
Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that video of the Kerley Express layout. You guys have a great evening. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys on down the line. Later. Bye.